Dear students, how are you? Today we will answer the question of our spelling lesson, lesson 21. And the first question which we have is correcting. Write the word if it is spelled correctly, if the word is misspelled, correct it. Okay guys, the first word which we have is offensive. Yep, it is misspelled, so we have to correct it with FF. Yep, offensive. 2. Occupation. Occupation. Yep, it is written correctly. Occupation. Oblong. Of course, we will cancel one of the two L's which we have. Oblong with one L. Number 4. Occupant. Occupant. We have to. Yep, we have to replace E with A. Occupant. Number 5. Obsession. Obsession. Yeah. Yep, we have to add S before I, another S before I, obsession. And the last word which we have is opposition. Opposition with two P's, no, not one P. Yeah, that's correct. Okay. What else do we have? The next question which we have is proofreading from 7 to 11. Proofread the diary entry, circle the misspelled words, and write them correctly. Okay, let's start. Dear diary, at last, I'm close to accomplishing my objective. I obtained an book about dragon hunting, which claims that dragons still occasionally visit obscure corners of the forests near our village. My own observation of unusual footprints tells me that the claim is true. Hey guys, we have misspelled words, so we have to correct them and write it in the space and write them in the spaces. Number 7, what could be? At last, I'm close to accomplishing my objective. Yep, objective. We have to cancel one of the two B's which we have. Objective with one B. Okay. 8. I obtained. Of course, A would be O. Obtained with O. An book about dragon hunting, which claims that dragons still occasionally, yep, occasionally with one S and two C's. Yep. So we have to add S and cancel one of the S's which we have. Occasionally. Yep. Visit obscure. To visit obscure with one, with O, not with A. Obscure corners of the forts near our village. My own observation. So clear, guys. Observation. We have to replace U with E. Observation of the unusual footprints tells me that the claim is true. Yep, that's correct. Okay guys, the last question which we have from 12 till 16. Fun with words. Write spelling words to replace 12 to 16. Okay, we have to fill in the spaces with the words which we have, or from the list. I am space you, the space, to prove your courage and see the castle. So what would be I am? Yep, offering. I am offering you the 13. What would be? Yep, opportunity. Okay. What's that? It's a question. What's that? It's space. Detail of a very small dragon. Don't worry about such a minor space. So it's number 14. It's obviously. Yes, it's obviously detail of a very small dragon. Don't worry about such a minor what? Obstacle. Yes, that's correct. I have no space to detail. It's the fire breathing mouth at the other end that worries me. So I have no objection. Yep, objection. Yeah, that's correct. Okay, guys, that's what we have today. Thank you very much. I hope you study well, and next week, see you next week, inshallah. Bye bye.